Hi, good morning children. Today we are going to see the assignment key of the story of microorganisms part 1, 8th standard lesson. The topic is observing algae, protozoa, microarthropods. This is the topic. All of you know that this assignment is for 10 marks. In these 10 marks there are 6 choose the correct answers and 2 short answer questions. Choose the correct answers for 6 marks, short answer questions for 4 marks, totally 10 marks. Now let us see what are the choose the correct answers and their answers. The first one is pond is greenish because of growth of dash. Ponds, when you observe ponds, they are greenish in color. Why they are green in color? Option C, C for algae. Algae is growing in the pond water. That's why they are green in color. C. Okay. The first one, answer is C. C for algae. Okay. Now the second question. Identify the algae that can be seen with naked eye. So which algae can be seen with our naked eye? Option D. D for A and B. A for Spirogyra and B for Chara. Okay. So D. D is A and B. A for Spirogyra. Spirogyra and Chara. Okay. Now third question. Dash are to be found on our skin, eyelids, beddings, rugs, etc. On the skin we can see them. Eyelids, sometimes some small bubbles can be seen here, eyelids, and the beddings and also on rugs can be seen. What are those? Microarthropods. Option B. Option B is microarthropods. Microarthropods can be seen on the skin, eyelids, rugs, beds, etc. The fourth one. Joint-legged organisms belongs to dash phyla. Arthropoda. Option B. Joint-legged organisms. Okay. Arthropoda. They belongs to arthropoda. Arthro means joints. Poda means legs. Arthro joints. Poda means legs. Okay. Jointed legged organisms belongs to dash phyla Arthropoda. Now fifth question. Excess use of dash kills soil microorganisms. So pesticides. Excess use of pesticides kills soil microorganisms. Nowadays farmers blindly they are spraying more quantities of pesticides. That's why soil microorganisms can be killed, will be killed. Okay. So option D, pesticides. Pesticides kill soil microorganisms. Now, sixth question. Scabies might causes dash disease. Scabies might causes scabies. Scabies means yes, here between the fingers and also armpits and also leg pits we get one kind of disease, skin disease called scabies. Okay, in Telugu it is called gajji. Okay, so that is because of scabies mite. It belongs to microarthropod. Okay, yes, A for scabies. A, scabies. Scabies might causes scabies. Okay, now let us see seventh question. Which organisms are useful for growing crops? Which organisms are useful for growing crops? Soil is highly rich in microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, protozoa and microarthropods. In the soil we can find number of bacteria, number of fungi, number of protozoa and number of microarthropods. Okay? Yes. Soil is rich with more number of organisms. They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, microarthropods. Okay, yes. Now let us see second point. Okay, yes, the top 8 inches of soil of 1 acre, top 8 inches, nearly this much, top soil, 8 inches of soil, 1 acre, in 1 acre of soil, top 8 inches of soil may contain as much as 5.5 tons of bacteria and fungi. Okay, top 8 inches, top 8 inches of 1 acre of soil. 1 acre of soil contains 5.5 tons of fungi and bacteria. See how many microorganisms are present in the soil. Okay, 5.5 tons. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Right. This is very much useful for growing crops. So this content, that means 5.5 tons of microorganisms useful for growing of crops, because these all microorganisms they break the complex fertilizers, complex materials into very small materials. Okay, simple materials. So they will be available for the plants. So plants grow well. So fertility increases, soil fertility increases, plants grow well. So that's why these type of organisms are useful for growing crops. These type of organisms are useful for growing crops. Okay. Right. Now 8th question. Write the procedure on how to observe algae. The 8th question. The first point is you have to collect the water from pond or otherwise from the nearby tank with a little bit of greenish scrapings. Suppose take a beaker, and in the beaker you collect that a little bit of greenish scraping, green color. Okay, right. So collect some water, collect some greenish scraping from nearby pond or tank. Okay, this is the first point. And second point is pour 1 or 2 drops of greenish scraping water, 1 or 2 drops on the slide. Pour 1 or 2 drops of pour or put. Okay, put 1 or 2 drops of collected water on the slide. And third point, cover it with a cover slip and observe under the microscope. That is the third point. Cover it with cover slip and observe under microscope. This is the procedure how to observe algae. Okay, observe under microscope. So, okay, this is the key for today's assignment, my dear children. I think you all understood properly. Thank you. God bless you.